Hi Playmate, my name is Miss Gina and welcome back to the Play Circle. Wow, isn't this house so amazing? Today, we are exploring this very busy board house. There's lots to explore, so come on, let's get started. The first object we are looking at is this gold sequined fish. You can touch the sequins like this to expose a new color on the other side of the sequin. Here we have a manual gear system. When I rotate one of the gears, the others rotate as well. That's so cool! Next, we have a scroll wheel. Here, we have a telephone. This is a telephone wire. It's so much fun to play with. And when you pick up the telephone, there's a number pad that you can press on. Up next, we have a socket. On the bottom here is a switch. This is a lock, and you can unlock it by unbuckling the latch. Next is an hourglass. Look at the sand going down to the other end. This is a manual music box. Let's give it a listen. On the back of the house, we're starting off with a clock. Right now, it looks like it's 2:50. Now it's 9 o'clock. Here we have a pair of shoes. The left pair has a Velcro shoelace. And the right pair has a string shoelace. Here we have one gray ball and one black ball connected by one string. You can pull it like this. This is a door bolt. We use it to lock and unlock doors. And down below, we have a zipper. On the left side of the house, we have 3 really fun moving mazes. The first maze is a cutout of a gingerbread man. The second maze is a cutout of a teddy bear's head. The third maze is a cutout of a duck. Wow, the mazes are now glowing! That was so cool. Moving on, we have a lock and a pair of keys. You can put the key into the keyhole to unlock it like this. Here we have a meal bell. Finally, it sounds like our meal is ready. This is a pull switch. We can sometimes use this to turn on and off a light bulb. Next is this box with a lid on it. I wonder what's inside. A mini mountain! What a fun surprise! And here we have a clothes button. Now on the front side of the house, we have a bell. And this is a rotating disc. Next, we have two different latches keeping this door locked. Let's unlock them to reveal what's inside. Wow, it's a color-changing light. What a fun busy house! I hope you enjoyed exploring this busy board house. If you enjoyed today's learning session as much as I did, make sure to check out our other videos on the Play Circles channel. That's all for today. Goodbye, Playmate!